Hi everyone, I'm back with another one. Well, today I will talk about love and why we should stop chasing it. Now I know what you all must be thinking. When it comes to love, everyone is an expert, right? Ask a 5-year-old kid or a guy who is just going to step into a grave. They both will lecture you as if they are seasoned love gurus. Well, if this is the case, what's stopping me from doing that? I too can impart the gyan, right? I too can opine about love. It's a free country after all. Anyway, the topic today is different. I'm not going to lecture you about what love is. I will instead urge you to stop chasing it. Well, here by love I mean sexual love. Not the kind of love between a parent and a child or a brother and a sister. You see, the basis of sexual attraction towards a person you don't know well is deception. You heard that right. Men, during courtship, men deceive women in different ways. And women deceive men on a whole different level, using far more complex tactics which are incomprehensible. Yeah, when it comes to women, everything is complex, isn't it? Anyway, this is not the concern. We all deceive. We all deceive at our workplaces, at our in-laws' house, on social media, etc. Deceiving is not the concern. The problem arises only when the foundation of a relationship is based on sexual attraction alone. You see, we can't hide who we are for long. It takes time, but ultimately the facade is demolished. That is why we see so many failed love marriages. Everything goes well till the point you start living together. A couple of months and the veil is dropped from both sides, and the person you once liked the most starts to appear like a very annoying person or like a very intolerable person, a person you can't live with. Now, I'm not saying that all these marriages, love marriages, end up dysfunctional or in a divorce. Most of the people are so mature and so accommodating that they work it out. But you see, one can't clap with one hand alone. Both men as well as the women have to be accommodating. It all collapses even if one of them is not willing to adjust. The truth is, every relationship is transactional. You can't just take and not give anything in return. So balance and equity are the things which are required for its nourishment. Yes, you are thinking it right. It's a very slippery slope. So marriage and relationship, you see, is a gamble. That is why we should stop chasing love. We should stop impressing that guy, that girl you so like. We should discard this blanket of pretense. If it's gonna happen, it will. If it's gonna happen, it will, no matter what's the case. Despite all odds, despite everything, and with the right person at the right time. Remember, relationship is not about sex alone. It's about companionship. So no matter at what age you find that right person, it's all good. Here is the thing. The self-proclaimed expert who I often talk to tell me this. The basis of a relationship, the foundation of love should be friendship and not just sexual attraction alone. From there, it is one step at a time. The friendship will evolve over time. It will transform into something deeply spiritual, and ultimately these two friends will develop sexual feelings for each other. Why it's different? Because there is no deception involved. It's something which happens automatically. And because there is no need to impress the better half, there is no need for a pretense. which is why those who take it slow, they are never disillusioned and disappointed in the end. Well, these are not my thoughts, but these are thoughts of those who have been there and done that. I am just articulating these thoughts into words. So folks, my advice is to stop chasing love. Stop impressing that person you so desire. Be who you are, shed that veil of deception, and begin your relationship based on friendship and not just sexual attraction alone. And trust me, as all my love gurus friends say, it will all work out in the end. So that's it. It's time for me to say adios. If you have any comments or any feedback, please drop them below. I will see you next time with a different topic.